Hello children, how are you? I hope you are doing well at homes during this lockdown period. I am K. Indrarani, CRT English, Balipur, Krishna district. Children, today I would like to explain textual exercises from Unit 2, C.V. Raman, The Pride of India, page number 27 to 29. Children, if you have textbook, please open page number 27. Let us see the first Roman. The following sentences are from your lesson. Read them carefully and tick the correct meaning of the underlined word in each sentence. His parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. The underlined word is keen. Here the option A, particular, B, eager, C, worried. Particular means special. Eager means desirous. In earlier lesson, we have learned about C.V. Raman. Raman's parents were keen to send him abroad for higher studies. Keen means eager. Let us see the second one. The world hailed the discovery as the Raman effect. The underlined word is hailed. Option A, admired, B, called, C, thought. Admired means respected. Called means named. Here the appropriate word is admired. Hailed means admired. Let us see the third one. In his youth, Raman was mainly interested in acoustics. Acoustics means the study of sounds. The underlined word is mainly. Option A, primarily, B, simply, C, certainly. Mainly means primarily. Let us see the fourth one. The British made Raman a knight of the British Empire. The underlined word is made. Here knight means it's a title. Option A, appointed, B, managed, C, placed. Appointed means selected. Here the suitable meaning is appointed. Let us see the fifth one. Raman passed away on November 21st, 1970. Here the underlined word is passed away. Option A, was killed, B, died, C, left. Was killed is used, it's in a cause. Children, passed away means died. Look at the picture. Did you recognize the picture? Who was she? Yes, she was Jayalalitha, the former CM of Tamil Nadu. Jayalalitha passed away on December 5th, 2016. Passed away means died. Let us see the second Roman. Read the following sentence. Raman was equally delighted. The underlined word delighted is a verb and has been used to express a feeling of joy or happiness. Its noun form is delight. Now look at the following verbs and write their corresponding noun forms. Enjoyed. Enjoyed is the verb. Enjoyment is the noun form. Surprised. Surprised is a verb. Surprise is the noun form. Disappointed. Disappointment is the noun form. Worried. Worry is the noun form. Satisfied. Satisfaction is the noun form. Now, fill in the blanks with the suitable noun forms of the underlined words in each sentence. He was shocked to see a snake in his room, but he recovered from his dash in no time. Children, here shocked is the verb. What is the noun form? Guess? Yes. Shock is the noun form. Second one. He pretended to look relieved, but in fact he did not have any dash. Relieved is the verb form. Relief is the noun form. Here is the relief is the noun form. Third one. I can understand your dash, but don't be so excited that you have health problems. Here the underlined word excited. Excited is the verb. What is the noun form? Excitement is the noun form. I can understand your excitement. Fourth one. Raju, an auto driver, was a very honest. His dash was known to everybody. When he returned the bag of jewelry a passenger had left in his auto. Here, honest is the verb. Honesty is the noun form. Let us the third Raman. Read the following sentence and notice the underlined part. Raman stayed in the country to do the MA course. The underlined letters in capitals denote an abbreviation. The full form of this abbreviation is Master of Arts. Here is a list of some common abbreviations. Write their full forms. BA, Bachelor of Arts. AD, Anno Domini. BC, Before Christ. CM, Chief Minister. CD, Compact Disc. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. AM, Anti-Meridian. PM, Post-Meridian. Let us see the third Roman. Read the following sentence and notice the underlined word. He used to spend his hours after office in the lab. The underlined word lab is the short form of laboratory. Look at the following list of short forms and write their full forms. Plane. Aeroplane is the full form. Kilo. Kilogram is the full form. Para. Paragraph is the full form. Specs. Spectacles is the full form. Photo. Photograph is the full form. Bike. Motorbike is the full form. Mic. Microphone. Let us see the fourth Roman. In paragraph 4, you have learned that optics is the study of light. Do you know the words for the study of living beings? It is biology. It comes from bio. Bio means life plus logos or logi means study or science. So the suffix logi adds the meaning, the study of. Guess the meaning of the words under column A and match them with the phrases under column B. Column A: archaeology, physiology, psychology, zoology, zoology. Archaeology. What is archaeology? The study of the cultures of the past. Physiology. The study of the bodies of living things. Psychology. The study of the mind. Geology. The study of earth. Zoology. The study of animals. Read the following sentence from your lesson and observe how the underlined words are used before date, years, and the names of places. Raman was born on November 7, 1888. Raman passed away in 1970 on November 21st. Raman did his MA course at Presidency College in Madras. In December, on a fine evening in 1927, there was much excitement. Children, did you notice the underlined words on, in, yet? What are called? Yes, on, in, yet. These are called prepositions. What is a preposition? Preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation to some other words in the sentences. On, in, yet are prepositions of time and place. It shows the time and place. In sentence 1 and 2, on is used before a date. In sentence 2 and 3 and 4, in is used before a year in 1970, before the names of a big city in Madras, and before the names of a month in December. In the sentence 3, at is used before the name of a small place or area. Now, fill in the blanks with in, on and at. Sharath Chandra and Kirtana are brother and sister. Sharath Chandra was born on 25th April in 2000. Here, on is used before dates. In is used before years in 2000. Kirtana was born in December 2001. They are with their parents. They live at Kondamutspalim, a small village in Prakasam district. They play games at school. It is usually very hot in May at their village. So, they spend their summer in Hyderabad at their uncle's house. Here, Hyderabad is a big city. In is used before big cities. At is used small villages. Mr. Srishailam is their uncle. He resides at High Court Colony in Hyderabad with his wife Jagadishwari and his daughter Vishnupriya. Children, I hope you have understand well. Thank you.